Alright guys, super excited to make this video. This is going to be how you can mark out zones with EzAlgo. It's pretty common knowledge, I think, that one of the most important aspects of trading is marking out your horizontal zones, right? Your horizontal levels. Now, there are a couple of ways you can go about this. I'm on the AUD/USD chart right here on the 3-hour time frame. So, normally what you do is get your rectangle tool and just mark out some simple zones. I'll go to the standard Japanese candles and mark out some zones, right? So these would be the areas that you'd be looking for a reaction, right? That's one zone. There's another one. We have one right here as well, right? And this can be pretty tedious and not as accurate because you are doing it yourself and there are no algorithmic inputs in place. So if you want to be the most accurate, what you're going to want to do is get EzAlgo, right? If you don't have it already, hit the first link in the description below. And what you're going to do on EzAlgo is go into the settings and you're going to turn on SR1 and set it to the solid lines, right? Very important that you set this to the solid line. And what you'll see is that it actually marks out these horizontal support and resistance levels for you. But on top of that, since it's a solid line, it actually creates these zones in real time for you, right? You just saw I turned it on and it has these levels in real time. So right off the bat, I see a couple of zones here. I see one zone right around here. Right, this is an area where there are a lot of buyers, and I also see, a support zone down here and a resistance zone up here, with this very high level right here being where I would look to take a pretty big short, right? So when you use the SR1 as a solid line, it really helps everything become a lot more clear on where you're looking to enter a position, right? I can tell you just by looking at this right now that I am looking to take a long if we come back down here and probably a short if we come back up here, right? And this is on the 3-hour time frame. Something else I like to do is I always like to use the 1-hour support and resistance levels no matter what time frame I'm on. So I can be on the 3-4 hour time frame and I'll set SR2 to the 1-hour time frame again with the solid lines. And I'm going to turn off the labels because now we have too much stuff going on. So I'm going to turn off the labels. And you can see now we have literally every single zone marked out. So this takes away all of the manual work trying to find these zones. And I thought this was a great find because for the longest time, I was using EzAlgo with the dotted lines and the dashed lines. And I changed everything to solid and my trading has been better than it has ever been before, honestly. So this was a great find. And this is what I've been using. I told people in the Discord to use this as well. It really makes identifying those areas a whole lot easier. And I am on a higher time frame right now, obviously, but you can even go down to a lower time frame. Let's go down to the 15-minute time frame. Again, I have the levels from the 1 hour as my support and resistance too. And you can see, when you're trading off of these zones with a couple of other confirmations on EzAlgo, like the reversal signals and the buy and sell signals, which are turned off right now. But you can see, we have this red dot right here, which signifies that momentum is moving down and we're most likely going into a short-term downtrend. Right, you can see the same thing over here. We come back down to this support zone and we get that blue buy dot on EzAlgo and price goes up for the time being. So definitely use the horizontal support and resistance levels as lines on EzAlgo if you're not doing that already. And like I said, this is the 15-minute time frame on AUD/USD. I can show you some other pairs after. Even a move like this, right? Even one move like this, the gains are huge, guys. That's a 40 pip move, right? That's a 40 pip move, and that actually comes down even further, down to 55 pips. But let's say we'd probably take profit right around there. That's a 40 pip move, guys. There are going to be some break-even trades, as with anything. We're rejecting off that level, but still, goes up around 25 pips. So that's another profitable trade. Comes back down into this general zone, and we have that blue buy dot, and price goes up. How many pips does this go up? I'll switch to Japanese candles to get the real-time price because I think it confirmed, at the top. So right around here is when the buy signal confirmed. We'd probably enter somewhere around there on Fu Manchu Cipher B with a buy dot. But that goes up another 45 pips, even all the way up here. And if I look left, right, you'll see this was a previous resistance zone as well. We came back up, tested that zone, and it's currently acting as resistance with that reversal signal right there. So This is an extremely powerful strategy, guys, an extremely powerful indicator. You know, I don't want to toot my own horn too much, but you know, I know some indicators out there, some other paid indicators, and guys, they are not worth anything, okay? They are not worth the price that they're at, number one, and they don't have these horizontal zones along with the indicator. And if you guys don't have these zones on your chart, you're not going to be profitable. Simple as that. If you're looking for an indicator to take your trade to the next level, this is the best TradingView indicator, and we're only going to be making this better. I have a lot more stuff coming in the near future for EzAlgo, some more buy and sell indicators, some minor buy and sell, some strong buy and sell, as well as some other inputs in the midterm future, which are going to come along with EzAlgo. So, you know, I definitely recommend to get this indicator, because this is the indicator that I use to become profitable consistently, right? If you can't become profitable consistently, then what's the point? And I don't trade Forex really. I'm just showing you on AUD USD. I can go to another Forex pair or even crypto, right? Let's go to a crypto pair. Let's go to Solana. That was a trade I took in the Discord. All right, so again, look at this, right? Look at this. We had this resistance zone right up here, okay? And if I go on replay mode, you will be able to see that this was indeed a non-repaint level, right? This level was there beforehand. So let me go in replay mode. All right, so look at this, guys, right? Look at this. We already have this resistance zone right here. So a lot of people ask, are these levels repaint? They're not repaint, guys. Sometimes they'll form in real time, but you need levels to form in real time, okay? If you don't have real time autonomous support and resistance levels, you're not going to be profitable. So you need levels that form in real time, and you'll see in replay mode. Look at right there. And this works extremely well on Forex and stocks, right? I know I get a ton of questions on whether EzAlgo works on stocks, and the answer is yes. Look how well price respects these horizontal levels on stocks especially. I mean, you can see on the 2-hour time frame, Apple comes right up here to this resistance zone. We're getting some reversal signals along the way, but there we have that red sell dot, and price comes down from that red sell dot, you know, 3%, right? And this is on Apple stock. So this is not a low cap stock. This is a blue chip stock. And it just plays the level so well. So you can use this, you know, on any asset, right? Forex, crypto, stocks, whatever it may be. This is a very, very powerful strategy to make the support and resistance levels these solid lines. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section below how you're liking using EzAlgo with these solid lines. All right, I think this is probably one of the best things about EzAlgo, if not the best, are definitely the horizontal levels, and having the ability to change them into actual zones takes away all of the manual TA work that you would be doing otherwise. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next time.